We're going to go to the lines program, and starting with the first level, there's a whole bunch of levels. First one, graph y equals -8. You've got all these different buttons. When you're being asked to graph, automatically the points are on, right? So you can draw some points, and if you draw 2 points, it defines a line. You can erase using the eraser, and you can drag the point to wherever you want to move it to. Just go and you click on them and drag them. You can make lines. So we're looking for the graph y is equal to -8. You can read it as y is always -8. Y equals -8. We go and find -8. It's right here on the y-axis. So this is a point where the y value is -8. The x happens to be 0. But this is the line y is always -8. It doesn't matter what the x value is. The y value is -8. Here, this is 1, -8. The x is 1, the y is -8. Or this is 2, -8. Or 3, -8. 4, -8. 5. Now, this line is made up of infinitely many points where the y value is -8. The x value can be anything. That's why we call this line y is always -8, and it is a horizontal line. If you think in terms of y equals ax plus b, the a multiplying the x, notice there's no x, so the a must be 0. The slope is 0. And notice it's flat. Have you ever been like standing in the middle of a cornfield in cross-country skis, asking yourself what you're doing there? You're having a boring time because there is no slope. It's totally flat. This is a totally flat line. There is no slope. 0 slope, no downhill skiing or uphill skiing. You're just stuck flat, 0 slope. Whenever you have that, the slope is 0, if the a is 0, it is totally flat. It goes through the y-intercept, which is right here, -8. So if you get it right, yay. If you don't get it right, it'll show you. Like for example, like this is the right answer, like y equals -3, and it's perfectly flat. Okay, like that, because the a is 0, or the y is always -3, no matter what the x value is. But let's say I made a slight error. Let's say I had it going through -2 by accident. So if you get it wrong, it draws the right one in red. Yours is in green, mine is in red, and you just compare yours to mine, and you think, okay, I see the red line. I understand what I did wrong, and you move on. Here, y equals -10, right there, and we're looking at a nice horizontal line. So that's level 1. They're all horizontal lines. Let's go and look at level 2.